Hello and welcome back for another Christmas present unpacking. We're nearly there. I've only got 2 more presents to show you from 2 more shops on MadeMe.co.uk. So the next one, this is another present for my youngest child. So this one comes from Nelly Noodles on MadeMe.co.uk. I'll stick the link in the description below. This time I've gone for a handmade garment. I saw her share it in the MadeMe group and knew that it would be perfect for my daughter. She identifies within the LGBT community, and when I saw this rainbow hoodie, galaxy fabric, I knew it was for her. Absolutely beautiful. She also has an affinity for everything space, so it's a double whammy. Gorgeous. So we've got contrasting pockets, beautifully hemmed, double hem. We've got overlocking on all the seams, good size hood, and she's pattern matched beautifully. I think she's done a great job. And there's the back and the sleeves. Oh, it's fantastic. She does them in a range of sizes, and look at the overlocking. We've got rainbow threads on all the overlocking, and can you see there? The bobbin thread is bright pink. So it all matches in beautifully. Wonderful hoodie from Nelly Noodles. Again, it was custom make. She's got her tag there. On the tag she says what size it is, and she gives the washing instructions as well. Do not tumble dry. Do not tumble dry. That's the most important. Yeah, really nicely made, good fabric, beautiful, and I think she'll love it. Thank you for joining us on this series of Christmas present unboxings. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com for patterns, workshops, craft and chats, and our new video series that's coming up, which are video patterns and chat shows with crochet designers with varying topics that we will talk about each month. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.